Hi, today I will show you how to use AI image generation in n8n. So, first, choose an AI image generation service. Select an AI image generation API provider such as OpenAI's DALL-E, Stability AI's Stable Diffusion, or other that offer image generation via REST API. Then, sign up and get the API keys or tokens from your chosen AI image generation platform. Then, add an HTTP request node in n8n. So, in your n8n workflow, add an HTTP request node by clicking on the plus icon and searching for HTTP request. Now, set the method to post and enter the API endpoint URL for image generation. So you'll have to basically paste the API that you would have got from your image generation provider. After entering the API in the URL section, you'll have to configure the request. So in headers, add the required authorization, for example, authorization bearer or your API key. And in the request body, provide the required parameters like prompt, image size, number of images, and other options formatted as JSON. Now, the AI service will return the image data, usually as base 64 strings or URLs. Use additional nodes to extract, decode, or handle the image data. To save images, you can upload the storage service or convert and store as binary in n8n. Now, you'll have to send an image via email, post in chat channels, or store them in cloud service using respective n8n nodes, and combine with triggers like webhooks, schedule, etc. to automate image generation based on events. And this will let you seamlessly integrate AI image generation into your automated workflows using n8n's flexible HTTP nodes and data handling capabilities. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.